How to get started with Phantom Wallet. Open your Phantom Wallet after downloading the official Phantom Wallet application in the App Store or Play Store. Now you have the option to create a new wallet or use an existing wallet. For the purpose of this video, we will create a new wallet. Now you need to confirm how you want to secure your wallet. For Android, you can set up a biometric security, and for iOS, you can secure your wallet using Face ID. In this tutorial, we will use iOS and create a Face ID. In the next step, you need to back up your secret recovery phrase. You have the option to store your phrase manually or copy the phrase to your clipboard. We highly recommend you to store this manually. Make sure to write down your phrase immediately and store this in a safe place. Do not share this code with anyone. Now Phantom Wallet needs you to confirm the recovery phrase has been written down. After you completed this, you need to press Yes to confirm. In the last step, you need to choose if you want to receive notifications from Phantom Wallet. Congratulations, you have now set up your wallet for trading. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel.